Welcome to Snacks Weekly on Data Science. This podcast is all about making data science and machine learning knowledge accessible and less intimidating. Today, we are going to talk about large language models. This topic is based on a tech blog titled Accelerating Coupang's AI Journey with LLMs, written by their machine learning team. You can find the blog link in this episode's description. Throughout this episode, we will break down the topic from both business and data science perspectives. Now, let's dive in. On the business side, let's first look at the problem to be solved.
First things first, what is Coupang and why does it sound like coupon?
Good question. Coupang is one of the largest e-commerce companies in South Korea, often compared to Amazon for its fast delivery and vast product selection. It was founded in 2010 and has grown rapidly and now holds a dominant market shares in Korean e-commerce. In recent years, Coupang's market cap is around $40 billion as of February 2025, and its signature rocket delivery service ensures the same day or next day delivery for millions of their customers.
That's impressive, but the blog talks about accelerating with LLMs. What does that mean?
LLM stands for Large Language Model, a type of artificial intelligence trained on vast amounts of text data to generate and understand human-like text. A well-known example is ChatGPT, which can answer questions, engage in conversations, and generate contents. But LLMs aren't just for chatbots. They can transform back-end machine learning systems by improving personalization, content understanding, and decision-making. Coupang's blog focuses on how LLMs enhance their existing machine learning stack beyond just chatbot applications. Now that we've understood the business problem, let's shift gear and explore the technology side to see what solutions could work. Coupang has been using machine learning heavily to improve customer experience in areas like search, ads, catalog, and recommendations. Their machine learning models fall into three key categories. The first category is about recommendation models, which drive personalization, ensuring customers see products they are most likely to buy. The second category of machine learning model is content understanding models. These models refine search and browsing experiences by improving product, customer, and merchant representations. The third type of the category is forecasting models, which optimize pricing, logistics, and delivery to keep Coupang's supply chain running smoothly. To enhance all these types of models, Coupang integrates LLMs and multimodal models to build foundation models, which is AI systems capable of handling multiple tasks rather than being trained for a single function. These foundation models improve customer experience in several ways. For example, the vision language models enhance product embeddings by jointly analyzing images and texts. This improves search and recommendations. LLM-generated weak labels can also help to train other models more effectively, which reduces the needs for costly labeled data. Additionally, LLMs can also enable a deeper understanding of product data by analyzing product titles, descriptions, reviews, and seller information all together. This led to a single LLM-powered categorizers that classifies products across all categories with greater precision. After understanding the need for building up foundation models, Coupang's machine learning team follows a structured development lifecycle when building and deploying LLMs. This life cycle comes into 3 phases. In the first phase, called exploration, developers experiment with different model architectures, sizes, and prompt templates to determine the most effective configurations. They use Apache Zeppelin for data processing and GPU-powered Jupyter notebooks for testing model variations. Once promising models are identified, the model training phase begins. Here, developers either fine-tune existing models or pre-train from scratch on a new model. This all depends on the compute budget and the dataset size. The team uses Polyaxon on Kubernetes to manage training and PyTorch's distributed training operator for large-scale training. After training is complete, the model moves to the path to production phase, where they are optimized for real-world use. This involves techniques like distillation, where a smaller, faster model is created from a large LLM for real-time inference. Another approach is embedding extraction, where useful LLM features are fed into smaller models to improve tasks like ranking and recommendations. Developers rely on Ray plus VLLM to efficiently handle inference pipelines across CPU and GPU resources. However, for the large-scale business at Coupang, scaling LLMs poses several challenges, particularly around infrastructure, resource efficiency, and scalability. To address these challenges, Coupang optimized the GPU selection by benchmarking different hardwares, using NVIDIA A100 for training large models and A10G for lightweight training and testing. To mitigate GPU shortages, they implemented a hybrid multi-region cluster strategy, leveraging cloud-based clusters across Asia-Pacific and the US alongside an on-prem GPU infrastructure. The team also embraced open-source tools like DeepSpeed Zero for model parallel training, NVIDIA Triton for inference optimization, and Ray plus VLLM for batch processing at scale. Frequent experimentation also led to significant efficiency improvements. The team observed a 20x increase in throughputs using VLLM. Despite these challenges, integrating LLMs into Coupang's machine learning ecosystem has unlocked major improvements, from better recommendations to more accurate product categorization and enhanced operational efficiency. Now that we've explored both the business problem and the technical solution, let's wrap it up. In this episode, we discussed how Coupang is leveraging LLMs to enhance its machine learning ecosystem. We covered Coupang's business model, its key machine learning categories, and how foundation models can improve efficiency and accuracy. We also walked through the LLM development lifecycle, key infrastructure choices, and strategies for overcoming challenges like GPU scarcity and the scalability problem. If you like the content of this episode, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a 5-star review and leave a comment. Your feedback is very appreciated, and we'll see you next week.